the woods.
Just show me what you see.
Rhino, elephant, skunk, beetle, and
What kind
skunk.
What kind of elephant was that?
Asian elephant.
Okay.
Male one, actually.
A male one? What's on this page?
Killer whales, tigers, flying.
All done. What is this?
Balloon.
Granola.
Balloon.
Good.
Kangaroo. Roadrunner. That's all I see on this page. Hey, there goes sister. Owl. That's some kind of chameleon sea.
What are they all doing? Are they all showing their... Are they hiding? What's it called when they hide? You were telling me it yesterday, or a couple days ago.
Camouflage.
Right. Okay, what's on the next page?
Crafty disguises.
Yeah.
Hardy appetites. This is called hardy appetites. Nile crocodile, praying mantis. Vulture. Camel and